Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the videos, you can go to our YouTube channel called Analytical Growth and you can watch the whole series. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about Google Ads policies and guidelines. So before running any ads, you need to learn Google Ads policies and guidelines so that your ads never get disapproved and your accounts remain safe. Okay, so let's jump to the screen. So here we are in the official documentation of Google Ads policies. So I will share this link in the description box. Okay, so we can see prohibited content here, prohibited practices, restricted content and feature, editorial and technical. So we can see the policies here: counterfeit goods, dangerous products or services, enabling dishonest behavior, inappropriate content. So here we can see what are the prohibited practices, So abusing the ads network. Okay, so let's read it. We want ad across the Google network to be useful, varied, relevant, and safe for users. We don't allow advertisers to run ads, content, or destinations that attempt to trick or circumvent our ad review process. Okay. Then second option is data collection and use. We want users to trust that information about them will be respected and handled with appropriate care. As such, our advertising partners should not misuse this information nor collect it for unclear purposes or without appropriate disclosures or security measures. Okay. Third option is misrepresentation. Restricted content and features. We have default ads treatment. Google is committed to delivering a safe and trustworthy ad experiences for all the users. That's why we limit serving certain types of ad categories for users that aren't signed in or users that our system indicates are under 18. You cannot promote sexual content. You cannot promote alcohol. You cannot promote any products related to copyrights. You cannot promote gambling and games. You cannot advertise healthcare and medicine. So we can see we are dedicated to the following advertising regulations for healthcare and medicine. So we expect that ads and destination follow appropriate laws and industry standards. Some healthcare related content can't be advertised at all, while others can only be advertised if the advertiser is certified. So if you want to run ads on the healthcare and medicines categories, you need to be certified advertiser. Okay, with Google and targets only approved countries. Okay, and you cannot advertise political content, financial services, trademarks, legal requirements, other restricted business, restricted ad formats and features, requirements for made for kids content, editorial and technical requirement, destination requirement, technical requirement, ad format requirement. So this is it. Okay. So I would strongly suggest you to read these policies and guideline pages. That's why your ads, so that your ads didn't get disapproved or your accounts remain safe. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you like it. Have a good day.